Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you today. As you could tell, I will be journaling. Yay! To be quite honest, this is actually the first time I've ever started journaling. But technically this isn't journaling because I'm not making my own setup. This one's like the undated version. Yeah, this is like a noob era for me. I've been needing a planner since the year started and it's like 15 or 16 days after New Year. I just needed a planner and so I ordered one from mochithings. The planner's really cute. It's just an A5 weekly planner. I wanted something very similar to the Muji planner, so this was the best one I could find in a very cheap price. I got it for $5. I feel like I got a good deal because the quality is pretty good. I have all of my supplies here laid out. I've got like a bunch of highlighters, pens, and some washi tapes, as you can see. But yeah, let's get right onto it. So here's a flip through of the planner. First page is really simple. It literally just says like the bucket list and it starts right away to a weekly schedule, which I really like because I do not like wasting paper that much. So everything's just straightforward in there. Pretty much it's really a simple and very straightforward planner. And then the back, basically, it's 40 pages and it tells you where it's from. Now that I've shown you guys the general visual of my planner, let us get started. My table's a mess, I get it. Koi is in here, covering Leo, which is right here, as well as Shuki right over there. Since I got this week, I'll start by putting in next week's dates. I feel like that would be more useful. Ta-da! I put the dates in. That's pretty much all I did. Sorry if the angles keep switching. I'm trying to figure out how I want to lay out this video and stuff. Since I'm done with that, I'm actually gonna write everything that's gonna happen next week since I do have quite a lot. So yeah, I'll be using one of these Muji pens. This one's the 0.25 and this one's 0.38. I have a scholarship due next week. I'm still not done with it and I started it like a week or two ago, so yeah. I also have a quiz on Tuesday in calculus. I also have a quiz on Wednesday and I will also try to film that day. These days I've been trying to film early, a few days early before my usual upload date, because last year I would film on Friday, edit on Friday, and upload by Friday. So it's like it was all mushed together and I had work at the same time. So like as soon as I got home at 10 p.m. I had to edit and like make a thumbnail and stuff, which is why I changed my layout or planning schedule to Wednesday is filming day and also editing the thumbnail. Thursday and Friday are the dates that I edit, then put it up on Friday to schedule on Saturday, and then like put everything together like tags and stuff. So I'm trying to get to a better spot right now since I am very lazy. And I'm trying to save more time for myself since I do have a lot to work on. I'm gonna try to decorate today. I don't know how these journaling accounts do it, but let me just try for one moment. I'm gonna be using this red washi tape. This is how it looks like at the moment. It's pretty simple. I highlighted the month with this Stabilo highlighter. I also have a meeting on the 28th, a club meeting. So far the paper quality is fine. It sort of is see-through, so like a little bit of the thing shows up in the back. I used the 0.25 on this one and I used 0.38 on this one, and this one seems darker, so I might just use the 0.25 on this one. And honestly, I do not know how many months this could fit because I didn't actually look at it. I found a sticker of my name, so I think I'm gonna put it up somewhere. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it in the first page so people know that it's mine. Since the new year started, I have been only using a post-it note or my hand to remind me of what to do, or just like literally just my brain reminding me. Ta-da, it has my name on it now. I kind of want to decorate it with stickers, but I do not have much stickers. Let me try getting my stickers from my desk. My dog started dreaming. Aww. I'm gonna try to get some stickers on my closet. I kept all of my stationery stuff that I actually never use over there, so yeah. So my camera died, but I found all of my stickers, guys. As I was saying before I got cut off, I have this box / container of like random knickknacks and stuff, which was basically where I put all of my stickers. I actually have a bunch. I got this really nice BTS sticker set from an army that I met during the BTS concert in MetLife. I also have a bunch of stickers from my sister in this cute little envelope thing that she made. I think I'm gonna put it on this top left corner. I also have some of these stickers from my friend Bella. She drew all of these for me like 4 years ago or something, and I never ended up using it because I preserve all of these stickers. I have this Starbucks one. I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna stick it right here. I also have some of these stickers that I got a while ago. Does this not look like me? If I close my eyes right now. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna be using this sticker to put on this front page. I'm also gonna put in this fortune cookie from Montreal. It says this on the front and then this on the back. So I'm officially done with my planner / journal, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm pretty proud of it so far. I hope I continue using it because it looks really nice, and I really want to try to keep doing it so that I want to try it next year to journal or maybe continue using a planner like this. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I tried my best to make this at least a little bit interesting. It's a little lame, I get it, I know. It's not usually my style to like journal with you guys, but I wanted to try this out, okay? But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you all keep growing. Bye!